Meanwhile, two lawmakers assert that it's about time for President Aquino to fire ERC Chair Zenaida. Noel Perfecto tells us more.
Akbayan Congressman Walden Bello and Ibarra Gutierrez both stressed that now is the time for President Benigno Aquino III to remove ERC Chair Zenaida Ducot from her post as the public watchdog against exploitation of energy or electricity traders for the so-called neglect of duty and for approving the unprecedented power rate hike. This was announced by the two lawmakers in front of media after they filed a complaint to the Office of the President, wherein Deputy Executive Secretary for Legal Affairs will recommend to the President the said cases.
Klarong-klaro naman, sa tingin namin, pag tinignan ng Malacanang yung mga hakbang na nangyari dito leading up to the rate hike, I think that they will agree with the petitioners that it's time to replace a chairman or chairwoman Ducot.
Linaw itong indikasyon na kailangan talagang mapalitan ang ating chairwoman ng ERC kung hindi naman pala siya handa na tumayo, tumindig at siguraduhin na yung interes ng kanyang mga consumers na yun ang una niyang responsibilidad ay mapoprotektahan.
According to the two congressmen, ERC Chair Ducot did not give any explanation to the public regarding the power rate hike of Meralco. They said the country has the highest charges in electricity all over Asia, and with this, consumers are heavily burdened and this should be stopped.
Very concerned siya dito sa electricity hikes. Very concerned siya to the charges na may collusion. Very concerned siya roon sa charges of mismanagement on the part of Meralco leading to the rate hikes. No? So, ang masasabi natin ngayon is that ang presidente mismo, napakalakas ang concern niya rito at nagbukas na siya sa possibility na merong ang mismanagement, may ineffective regulation at may collusion.
Kami ay nananawagan sa ating Pangulo, exercise na po ninyo ang inyong kapangyarihan para disiplinahin, suriin yung aming reklamo at sa dulo, kung makikitang merong batayan, tanggalin na si Chairwoman Ducot at palitan ng isang tao na talagang titindig at tatayo para sa proteksyon ng mga ating mga kapwa Pilipino dito sa usapin nga ng mga power rate hikes.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.